What was weird about Antarctica?
You can't go to the interior of Antarctica, which is where we were.
That is now causing these problems.
The deepest point on continental Earth has been identified in East Antarctica under the Denman Glacier.
For decades, the ice wall of Antarctica has been one of the least explored frontiers on Earth. Pilots and explorers were warned, stay back. The wall rises hundreds of feet above the sea, stretching farther than the eye can see, its frozen edge hiding secrets older than civilization itself. But in February 2024, a high-tech drone breached this barrier, flying over the forbidden zone where no human has dared tread. The footage it sent back stunned the scientific community. Massive openings gaped beneath the ice, carved in patterns no one could explain. Streams of red water bled into hidden crevices, glowing faintly like molten metal trapped in the frozen dark. And deeper still, strange structures seemed to lie beneath the ice, angular, deliberate, impossibly precise. Then something moved. Shadows, too large and deliberate to be ice shifts, slithered along the cracks. The drone's camera wobbled as if something beneath the ice were aware of its presence. The signal faltered, sending back only fragments of the unimaginable. What could exist under miles of ice where nothing should survive? Was this evidence of a lost civilization or something far stranger? The drone's recordings hinted at a truth so alien, even the most seasoned researchers hesitated to speak aloud. Beneath Antarctica's seemingly lifeless surface, the drone revealed a world teeming with unexpected life. Massive colonies of ice fish stretched across the ocean floor, their translucent blood carrying no pigment, adapted to survive in waters that would freeze most other creatures instantly. Each fish crafted tiny nests, an astonishing testament to life enduring in the planet's harshest conditions. Nearby, Weddell seals navigated frozen labyrinths of underwater caves, plunging more than 2,000 feet and holding their breath for over an hour. They seemed guided not by sight, but by a mysterious internal compass, tracing air pockets and hidden tunnels with an almost supernatural precision. But then, the footage changed. The drone glimpsed structures beneath the ice, too regular to be natural. Angular lines, corridors and caverns carved into the frozen underworld. And in one fleeting frame, a glow pulsed from deep inside one tunnel, as if something or someone was waiting. Antarctica is a frozen time capsule, holding secrets that predate human memory. Beneath the ice, fossils whisper stories of lush forests, giant reptiles, and dinosaurs roaming a land that was once warm and green. Ancient pollen, moss, and decayed roots retrieved from sediment cores tell of a 90-million-year-old rainforest trapped and preserved beneath layers of ice. Yet history alone cannot explain the drone's footage. Some researchers recall Operation High Jump, Admiral Richard Byrd's 1946 expedition officially tasked with exploration. But Byrd's alleged private diary hints at something far stranger. Vast caverns beneath the South Pole, glowing cities of crystal, and beings warning humanity about its destructive power. Most historians dismiss this as fantasy. But when the drone's camera scanned angular corridors beneath the ice, the imagery unnervingly resembled Byrd's descriptions.
Artifacts of human exploration also emerge from the ice. Shackleton's endurance, frozen yet preserved, reminds us that even modern expeditions face the merciless Antarctic cold. Yet the drone's footage suggested something entirely different. Structures far larger and older than any human construction, hidden from satellite eyes under miles of frozen wilderness. The drone's descent into Antarctica's hidden underworld uncovered corridors and chambers that defied natural formation. Walls carved with angular precision, hallways stretching for hundreds of feet, and structures glowing faintly from an unseen energy source suggested the possibility of intelligent design. Could this be the remnants of an ancient civilization swallowed by ice thousands of years ago? Across centuries, myths from every corner of the world speak of lost civilizations destroyed by cataclysmic floods. Plato described Atlantis. The Epic of Gilgamesh spoke of cities swallowed by water. Could Antarctica be the final resting place of one of these ancient worlds? Some theorists speculate that pyramids across the globe, from Egypt to Peru, might even echo designs once seen in this frozen continent. Modern whistleblowers add another layer of mystery. In 2003, a retired Navy SEAL described discovering a massive octagonal structure emerging from the ice, hallways lit by an eerie green glow, and walls etched with unknown symbols. Magnetic disturbances, electrical anomalies, and warnings from government officials hinted that some secrets were never meant to be uncovered. Even as the drone explored ancient structures, Antarctica's natural wonders refused to be ignored. Blood Falls bled a rusty red from Taylor Glacier, a chemical reaction from iron-rich water meeting oxygen. A haunting reminder that the ice conceals more than just frozen history. Icefish colonies glimmered like underwater constellations. Weddell seals moved with precision through hidden tunnels, and colossal squids drifted silently in the dark, their enormous eyes watching from the abyss. But the drone's cameras revealed something far stranger than biology. Beneath the ice shelves, the massive Gumburtsev Mountains rose like a hidden range of stone cathedrals. Subglacial lakes, untouched for millions of years, shimmered faintly with microbial life surviving without sunlight or oxygen. Yet the angular shapes and perfectly straight tunnels glimpsed in the footage could not have been formed by glaciers or sediment. The ice wall itself, an imposing ring around the continent, hid passages that seemed almost artificial. The drone's infrared sensors detected heat signatures far below the surface, fluctuating as though something alive was moving, deliberate and aware of the intrusion. Drones are humanity's eyes where humans cannot safely tread. And in Antarctica, they have revealed astonishing realities. Autonomous vehicles like RAN have explored beneath glaciers, mapping underwater tunnels, glowing red waterfalls, and frozen remnants of ancient rainforests trapped for 90 million years. Yet even the most advanced machines have limits. In February 2024, RAN disappeared under the Thwaite Glacier weeks before its planned retirement. The last footage it sent back stunned scientists. Massive teardrop-shaped ice formations stretching over 1,300 feet, a forest frozen in time, and corridors carved with unnatural precision.
Theories abound. Natural formations, lost civilizations, or even extraterrestrial activity. Radar imaging has uncovered valleys and basins preserved for 34 million years, subglacial lakes teeming with microbial life, and hidden geothermal vents. But the drone footage suggests something else entirely. Patterns, angles, and glowing tunnels inconsistent with nature alone. As the drone moves deeper into the labyrinth, signals flicker, revealing glimpses of figures or shadows slipping just out of sight. For every discovery, another question arises. Are these corridors the work of humans long forgotten, or something far older and more intelligent? As the drone hovered over the ice wall, it captured more than frozen cliffs. Strange formations appeared beneath the glacial surface. Massive tunnels, angular chambers, and corridors stretching endlessly. Some appeared carved, not formed, and their scale suggested intelligence beyond human hands. Shadows flickered inside too fast and deliberate to be wildlife, hinting that something or someone was moving unseen.
Antarctica itself seems alive with anomalies. Blood Falls continues to flow, a red river cutting through white ice, fed by a lake untouched for 1.5 million years. Beneath the ice, geothermal vents may sustain life invisible to the surface world. Colossal squids drift silently, and ancient microbe colonies survive in total darkness. Yet none of these natural marvels could explain the perfectly straight hallways glimpsed in the drone footage. Historical whispers fuel the mystery. Admiral Byrd's alleged diary tells of crystal cities, glowing tunnels, and encounters with advanced beings warning humanity of its own destructive potential. Could the drone have found what Byrd hinted at decades ago? Guardians of a hidden Antarctic realm, silent watchers of the world above. Antarctica is more than ice and snow. It is a frozen archive of Earth's deepest history. Sediment cores reveal forests, moss, and pollen from 90 million years ago, when dinosaurs roamed green continents instead of endless ice. Fossils, once buried and forgotten, tell of creatures that thrived in warmth, long before the first ice sheets formed. Yet the drone's footage hints at a far stranger story. Angular tunnels, glowing caverns, and hidden structures carved into the underworld, untouched for millennia. Even Mount Erebus, an active volcano, paints a surreal scene. Its lava lake burns beneath the ice, scattering tiny gold particles across the snow. Streams of iron-rich water color glaciers blood red, as if warning explorers of the unseen beneath. And now satellites detect heat signatures moving in patterns that defy natural explanation. Paths perfectly aligned, angular, almost architectural. The drone continues to descend, its lights revealing corridors that stretch endlessly under miles of ice. Strange markings, possibly hieroglyphic, line the walls. Was this civilization human or something far older and more advanced? As the drone penetrates deeper beneath the ice wall, the evidence grows harder to ignore. Angular corridors, massive halls, and glowing chambers suggest more than natural formation. These are structures designed for purpose. Some researchers whisper of Byrd's secret diary, where he described a civilization under the South Pole, a crystal city guarded by beings of immense intelligence. Could the drone have found remnants of this hidden society? Reports from modern whistleblowers echo the mystery. In 2003, a retired Navy SEAL claimed to have seen an octagonal structure rising from the ice, with hallways lit in an otherworldly green glow and walls etched with unknown symbols. Magnetic disturbances interfered with every electronic device, as if the structures themselves resisted human intrusion. The drone sensors now spike in similar patterns, suggesting the presence of intelligence, something alive, aware, and possibly watching. Even the ice itself seems to guard secrets. Heat pulses from beneath the frozen crust, glaciers shift with unnatural precision, and red-tinged rivers like Blood Falls bleed silently into hidden caverns. Every step deeper raises a question humanity is unprepared to answer. Are these tunnels remnants of a forgotten human civilization, or the outpost of an intelligence older than mankind? The drone drifts over the ice wall's final expanse, where darkness seems almost tangible. Beneath miles of frozen crust, vast halls and tunnels stretch endlessly, glowing faintly with an unseen energy. The footage hints at an intelligence overseeing this hidden world, beings or structures untouched by time, watching, calculating, waiting. History and myth converge here. Ancient floods, lost civilizations, tales of Atlantis, and Bird's secret diary all point to one terrifying possibility. Antarctica may hide knowledge older and stranger than humanity can comprehend. Subglacial lakes teem with microbial life. Heat pulses ripple through ice like veins, and fossils frozen for millions of years whisper of a green world long gone. Yet all of it pales beside the structures glimpsed in the drone footage. Angular tunnels, massive octagonal halls, and glowing chambers defy explanation, as if Antarctica itself holds its breath. The drone tilts its camera one last time, capturing a figure, or an apparition, standing at the mouth of a cavern. Its shape is humanoid, yet impossibly tall, its eyes reflecting a light no human eye could create. Then, as quickly as it appeared, the figure vanishes. The feed cuts, leaving only static, and a faint metallic hum echoing in the frozen void.